Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Really excited for this one because we are going to utilize ChatGPT to do certain tasks for us. For this, you will need to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription because you will need to use the GPT-4 model and its plugin features. But once you have this, you are basically good to go. So what I am going to show you today is how you can send an email directly from ChatGPT towards your own inbox or that of your clients, any way you like to. And also send myself a Slack notification just in case if I need some content posted there before I forget or it keeps basically getting lost here inside the chat history overview. Before we do this, we need to connect towards a certain plugin. And that plugin is called Connexit. And if we take a look at the website, you will see that Connexit is basically a replacement for platforms like Zapier, Make, Publi, Integrately, and so on. So I have an account here, and I'm going to connect to that using a plugin. So if we go towards plugins, you already see that I have the plugin enabled, but you can go towards the plugin store and just search for Connexit. Once you say install or connect, then you will have a pop-up where you will need to authenticate your Connexit account. Once done, you will return here, and then you will be able to use this plugin. Once you have this plugin enabled, so let's enable this. Let's say I want to send myself a few tweets regarding certain topics by my email inbox so I do not forget. So let's first say create 3 tweets regarding implementing AI into your business. So first of all, ChatGPT will just generate this using its own model. So it does not need the Connexit plugin for this. As you can see, we get a few tweets. There we go. Awesome. 3 different kinds of tweets. Perfect. The next step is I want to send these tweets towards my email inbox. So what I'm going to say now is I want to send these tweets to my email using my connected Gmail account. So in advance, I already integrated my Gmail account inside of Connexit, and I'm able to use that. So let's see if Connexit, the plugin, can find my Gmail account. If all goes well, you will see that it's now using the Connexit plugin. And from here, we will check if we basically can find the Gmail account connected. So we have 3 Gmail accounts, as you can see here. Perfect. And it also gives you the option to connect a new one directly on the spot. So you don't have to go towards Connexit first and then integrate it. You can do so by using the link as you can see here. Let's say, please type confirm to use the new account. Okay. Let's go with account 3 and then send the email to mark@markvandermeet.com with the subject new tweets to post. So let's see if we give this command, right, that Connexit is able to understand the assignment and sends the email towards my email address with these 3 tweets. So it first gives a confirmation. Do you want to send this? Yes or no? And then it will ask me to confirm by typing confirm most likely. It's already going ahead to do that. It's just giving a summary. So that's perfect. So it's now using Connexit. And if you press the drop down, you can also take a look, as you can see here. Currently, we have some kind of failure. So that is not a good thing. And so let's say, please try again. Sometimes it fails. It is still new. It's a work in progress, but normally this works. So let's try it again. Let's see if it works now. So you can see it's writing the tweets, right, as the body. And then once that is done, let's see if the connection actually sends it. And now we have a success message, as you can see here. Success, the email with the tweet has been sent to mark@markvandermeter.com using email address or the Gmail account 3. And if I take a look at my email inbox, I already see basically the email appearing from my Gmail. So new tweets to post. And if I take a look inside, you will see the 3 tweets inside. How cool is this, right? So basically what you could do as a use case, you can generate all kinds of content for clients as a content writer, and then send the content directly towards the user's inbox, towards your client's inbox. So that could be a potential use case. Okay, so now another use case would be to basically post these 3 tweets on my Slack channel. So for example, if I have a team in place that needs content from me, right? That is my assignment as a content creator. I want to post these tweets inside the Slack channel so they can in turn post it on the social media channels. So what I'm just going to say is now I would like to send the 3 tweets to my Slack channel for safe storage. Go ahead and post these now. And then I will have the exact same tweets again. So let's say we are going to give the command, right? We're going to use Connexit again. And let's see if we can post these tweets directly towards Slack. So it takes a few seconds to formulate the proper Slack connection. And let's take a look. And let's wait for a few seconds until those tweets have been posted. Okay, great. So we get success. All 3 tweets have been posted towards the Slack channel that I have, ChatGPT Plus. So let's see if we hop on over towards Slack, if we have these 3 tweets. And as you can see, here we have them, right? How cool is this that you can now synchronize directly from within ChatGPT through all different kinds of platforms, whether to send an email, maybe to update a Google Sheet, maybe to, in this case, send content directly towards Slack where your team can just copy and paste it onto social media channels. So you have one workspace, which is ChatGPT, and from there you can just connect to basically any integration that is connected by Connexit, integrated with Connexit. So if you do not have a Connexit account yet, I will post the link towards their website inside the description. And as you can see, they have quite a few apps. It just keeps on loading. I believe they have about 800 or 1000 integrations at this moment in time. So I'm sure yours will be part of this as well. So again, the link will be down in the video description. And if you want to have a go, just install the plugin on ChatGPT and see what kind of cool use cases you can come up with. For now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do consider pressing the like button. And also, if you did not do so already, subscribe to the channel for more of these kinds of videos. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.